Hi, I'm Neil with Revit Auto, and in this video, Zach and I are going to show you how to change the front brakes on a 2009 Ford Fusion. With the wheel removed, remove the two bolts shown to remove the caliper from the caliper bracket. Using a C-clamp and one of the old brake pads, compress the brake piston. This will make installation of the new pads possible. Next, remove the two bolts that hold the caliper bracket to the wheel hub assembly and set it aside. Remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Next, remove the two torx brake rotor retaining screws and remove the rotor. Go ahead and install the new rotor now. Reuse the two retaining screws that were just removed in the last step. Remove the brake pad clips from the caliper bracket and install the new ones in their place. This particular set uses an unusual three-piece design. Despite the clarity of this video image, it may not be a bad idea to take a picture of how your clips were installed before replacing them. Once the clips have been replaced on both the top and bottom, go ahead and reinstall your caliper bracket and torque to specification. With the caliper bracket in place, you can now install the brake pads. On this specific vehicle, the inner and outer brake pads should be identical. Next, install the two retaining springs. If handy, you may want to have an extra pair of hands. While holding the brake pads in place, have someone slide the caliper over top of the brake pads. Once the caliper is over top of the brake pads, everything should stay in place. All that's left is to bolt the caliper onto the caliper bracket and reinstall the wheel. Be sure to torque to factory specifications. Once the wheel is reinstalled, go ahead and follow your brake-in procedure as outlined in the installation instructions that came with your brake pads. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, happy motoring!